What's up, guys? So, taking a look at the gold chart now, we have been consistently trading alongside the 9 EMA and most of the times even above it. Now we are currently slightly breaking below it. So, if we switch to the 20-day EMA, we have been trading above it since the beginning of May, which means we should see a slight correction towards the 20 day EMA, which would be the around the previous resistance line. Let's make it a little bit bigger. So here we had a couple of uh, retests as a support line. Uh, Here we got rejected at this area. We break through. We fell below. We retested it again. We were rejected again, and finally we broke out, which means at this point it looks like we will retest uh, this area somewhere along the 20-day EMA. If we take a look at the 4-hour chart, maybe, well, we are trying to hold this current support line here at 1890, but once we break it, we are pretty much going to this area here. Now back to the daily chart. We can see that the RSI it was pretty overbought, so now we are turning slightly towards the downside, and here we have a bearish cross looking at the MACD, where the long line, which means the blue line, is crossing the short line, the kind of orange yellow line. So it looks that we will go lower. So as for the trade, it would look something like this. Let's target the previous highs at 1950 or maybe 55 or whatever, doesn't matter, because we still have a risk reward of even above 2.5 with a stop loss at 1850. The entry is around 1876. Let's make it 75 just so it looks nicer. Maybe something alongside those lines. So anyway, this would be the trade if we drop down to this support line, which, well, should happen or could happen. So, well, this would be the trade for gold at least. So, well, 1850 should work, something like this. I mean, if you see and you are sitting in front of the screen, and while you are entering the trade and you see we will go a little bit lower, you can even enter at 1867 or whatever, and therefore put your stop loss maybe a little bit lower. But for now, this would be the prediction. Well, thanks guys.